Healy is the first app-controlled wearable for microcurrent and frequency applications that effortlessly supports the health and well-being of your animals at any time. The Healy analyzes in real time the frequencies your animal currently needs. It's easy to apply the Healy, and with a special animal kit, you can easily transmit the balance and frequencies to your animal. For this purpose, we use silicone applicators that can be inserted into wet sponges. These can be attached to your horse, for example, using a belt or locally with a bandage. Instead, we can also work wirelessly with a Healy coil. Your animal can move around and relax completely during the treatment. You can easily apply the Healy yourself, no matter what kind of animal you have or where you are. In our wide range of programs, you will always find the right IMF program for your animal's needs. And of course, the Healy can also support your health and well-being. Animals love their Healy, and you will love your Healy too.